Hi friends, how are you all? Here your friend Rajnikant, Excel Guru. This is MIS interview question part 3. Already I did part 1 and 2 and this is the third one. If you want to watch part 1 and 2, then after the end of this video you will get a 2 videos from here and one from I top right side corner. Click on that, you will find the previous first and second MIS interview questions part 1 and 2. Okay, here we are jumping to question 1. See what I said, find the first occurrence positive number in the given data with conditional format. So you have to make a conditional format 40 is the first positive number and 47 is the second positive number, 51 is the third positive number. Extract only positive numbers, add only positive numbers. You have to add only positive numbers. Okay, let's see how you will get it. Okay, first I'll zoom it. Okay, now match is programmed in such a way that it will look up only the first value. It may be any duplicates or more than one duplicate, I mean so more than one value occurs, then also it will take the first one. The first one it will take. Okay, now what you want to do, you have to find the first positive number. Okay, so here it is. What you will do, match. First I will do like this, then you will get understand easily. Select this range. Okay, I will make it this black. It is already some other color, black and bold, so that easily you can view. Okay, is equal to, in this range, if it is greater than 0, all negatives. If greater than 0 means it will take only the positive numbers. F9. So wherever it positive is there, it is showing the true and remaining are false. Now match true from this range and give me the exact match. Okay, let's see it will work or not. 4. In fourth position it is the positive number. Fourth position, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so how you will get the fourth one? Index. It's a lookup function. It will look up vertical, horizontal or whole table, both vertical and horizontal table. Options having one argument, 1 2 3. So if you are taking a vertical, it will ask you only the row. If you take a horizontal, it will ask you the column. If you will take both, then it will ask both things. Okay, here it is, match, sorry, index, this one, I'm locking, comma and close parenthesis. Guys, watch this video still end, then only you will get understand, else you will get confused. Now I'll press F9 and check whether it is, because I took only the one range vertical. For that reason I am leaving the column empty. It's flower brackets means you will able to see flower brackets, means it is optional, you can keep or you can't. So I don't want to, so I am skipping the column. So now select and check whether which one it is occurring. F9 40. Control Z, control enter. It's an array function, so if you will enter or control enter, it won't work. Control shift and enter. See why I use control shift and enter. If I move this cursor anywhere, it will show you the exact one, it won't show you the wrong one. Okay, now here it is coming to. Now extract only positive numbers. You have to extract only the positive numbers from here. Okay, let's see how it works. If is equal to, if in this range f4 locking from all sides is greater than 0, then what you need, row open the bracket, this range f4 minus row open the bracket, first one f4 plus 1. Okay, I need 1 2 3 4 5. Why I use this one? If I take this one, it will show you, it will start from 5. So I don't want to start from 5, I want to start from 1. So again I use this one, it starts from 0, so I don't want, so I kept 0 1 2 3. Okay, now it's become an array. Control shift and enter. False, it is a false one. See, it is a false. Let's see and drag the formula. All are false. How is it possible? F2. I logged all things. Let's check logical test. F9. True is there. Okay, true is there. Okay. So here it is. Now I will show you how to do. Okay, I will delete this one. F2. Small, take smallest one, and the the K part. When I drag the formula, it should increment the number 1 2 3, first smallest, second smallest, third smallest, fourth smallest, like that. So here it is, rows, where I placed $5 colon F5, close parenthesis, control shift enter. So it is taking the 4th position, this one, and again it is taking 6th position and 8th position. Later it will show you the num error. Okay, num error, it will show you the num error. Okay, F2 index, already said index is a great function where it look up the range, vertical, horizontal, or a table. Okay, F4 locking from all sides, because I want to drag the formula still down. Control shift and enter. Make sure that there should be a curly bracket before and after the formula is you enter array formula. Again some problem, again I have to drag what I have done. Okay, index, if error, if you find any error in this, give me the blank in the formula. Okay, F2, if error, if you find any formula in, if you find any error in this formula, give me the blank. Suppose I will make it this raw data, it has to work. Okay, make it bold and drag. Okay, wait a minute. So okay, select this one, control T to convert into a table, enter. Okay, it's converted into a table. I need this type of, and I don't want filter, control shift L, so it's removed, and I will enter new number. Let's see it will work or not. 100, tab, 32. Okay, if you convert into table, it will be a dynamic one. Now third one, what I said, add only the positive numbers, leave with the negative numbers, add only the positive numbers. Okay, let's see how it will work. Okay, sir, if in this range, is equal to, if in this range, control shift down arrow, F4 greater than 0. Okay, if it is greater than 0, F9. So show me the values which are greater than 0. Sum product, double negative, because sum product will not understand true and false. It will understand only ones and zeros and multiply with. It's a true. It is a true. If true is multiplied with a number, so it will get the number. True into 100, 100. True into 2, 2. Like that. Okay. Now control shift and sum product can handle array, so control enter. Only the positive numbers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And down and I missed another one like this, 270C. So totally are there. Okay. Now what I said, give me and another one, find the first occurrence positive number in the given data with a conditional format. So it should be highlight the first positive number, highlight the first positive number. Okay. Okay, we'll make it that one also, F2. Okay. Okay, first I will show you this one is equal to rows, open the bracket, $4 colon I4, enter. So it will show you 1 2 3 4 5 because row sorry, row is locked, I4 is locked. See, counting 1 2 3 like this. Okay, I will use this formula in here. Okay, again I will use is equal to match true, comma, in this range if you find any greater, then show me that position. Okay, it's an array formula, control shift enter. So it is showing the fourth position, 4 3 1, wherever is there it will showing that positive numbers. Okay, something wrong here guys. Okay, I did not logged one, you have to log this one. F4, control shift enter, double click. It will show you all what I said. It will look up only the first two, how many it may be, but it will look up only the first value that is programmed by match. Okay, that is match. Now see, all are 4, so we don't know what all are 4s, we need only the first occurrence 4. What I will do, equal to F2, I will come to here. Okay, it's a relative reference, control shift enter, false 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 false. Now it become a true because it is 4 over there. F2, instead of doing that one I will use this one, rows, open the bracket, $4 colon H4, control shift enter, double click. So it become, now I don't need this one. Now I can delete this one. Okay guys, if anybody wants this file, please mention your mail ID in your comment box, so that I can mail this file to that person. Okay, here it is. Okay, now okay, now what you will do, sell F2, and one thing guys, conditional format, it's an array but conditional format will least to bother about arrays, all those things. Just need ones and truths. If it is 1, then okay. If it is not only 1, it may be any number, non-zero numbers. Okay, and non-zero numbers and true, that's it. False, it won't, it will leave the false and zeros. Now I copied this one from here, control C, select this one, control shift down arrow, alt HLN, shortcut key for alt HLN, control V, format, bold, border, no I don't need to border, any color which is red, and font will be the black or white. Okay, let's see, it will look like this. Okay, okay, see, if I change suppose if I change this to negative, so next to positive will be the this one. Okay guys, now go back this one and question number 2. Now what I said is, first of all find the lowest bit and count of ties. Okay, so what you will do, you have to make it what is minimum here. I'll give some space over here, is equal to I'll make it capital letters, min is equal to min, open the bracket, it's a relative reference, it's so simple, double click, sorry, drag this one away, so simple, it's so simple. Okay, now sorry guys, now how many ties, means what are the duplicates in that minimum. Okay, we'll find that one also. I will write it twice, enter. Okay, is equal to countif. All everyone know about countif. It's lock from. Okay, I'm not locking. Actually, it's a relative difference, so I don't want to lock. Comma. This one, it is also relative reference. So it is a tie. 5.51 occurs. The two vendors are bidded on the same price, that is 5.1, and here it is the 4.1, 3 bids from different vendors. Okay, now you understood here. Now extract the vendor name who did the ties double time. I mean to say more than one time. Okay, extract vendors. Okay, just I'll make it little bit. Okay, now what you want vendor's name, right? Okay, index, select this one, F4, lock from all sides. What I said, index is a lookup function where you can extract a vertical range, horizontal range, or a whole table. Okay, now small if in this range F4, I'm locking the column but not the row. I'm locking the column but not the row because it's a relative difference. If is equal to 5.1, it is also down. Yes, it has to take down. Okay, then what you need? Column of this thing, F4 minus column of COLU, column of this F4 plus 1. And what will be the K value? Columns where we have the formula is $7, $7 colon L7. Okay, close parenthesis, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Control Shift Enter. So drag this formula till 7. Okay, something wrong over here. Let me check. Somewhere something wrong. Let me check where it went wrong. F2. Okay, see, everything is right. Columns. Where I did it? Index small if B7 H7 B dot. Okay. No, it has to be correct. The format is correct. F2. Okay, you do one thing. Remove. Not this one. Okay, this one. Let it be this one. Let's check F4. Lock the column. Okay. Lock the column, but not the row. Here also same like this. Let's check F4. Control Shift Enter. Vendor 2 is right. To extract only the one vendor. Right. Let's check. It's showing all vendors. What you will do? It's not an error. See, guys, it is showing, it is extracting all, but it's not the right thing. So it is not an error. Guys, understand, this is not an error. Okay, it is showing like this. So what you will do? Copy this. Control C. If columns is greater than F2, this one, relative reference, so it has to check row part, not the column part. Then give me the blank. Else run this formula. Let me check here. J7, not J7 here, guys. It's a K7. This one. Okay, this one, right. This one, count. Control Shift and Enter. What's wrong in this? Again showing some errors. Something is going wrong over here. Let me check. F2, everything is right. Then why it is showing like this? K7, right? F2, right? Then what happened? Right only, guys. It will become less than. Control Shift Enter, it will show it blank. So it is right, guys. Then where it went wrong, I am not able to understand. If columns is greater than logical test, F9, false. Control Z, $7, L7, $7, L7, right? Everything right. We'll make it here. If column is greater than logical test, F9. See why it is false. Okay, the procedure is correct. Somewhere it went wrong here. The count will be the 2. Yes, if column is greater than, see what it will show you, $7, it will show you 1. Here $7, it will show you what it will show you. Wait a minute. F9, 1. 1 is not greater. Here what happened here then? Here also 1. How it will be? Okay, it said I locked the row but not the column, so you have to lock the column. Here also the same thing, I locked the row but not the column. Okay, that is the mistake. Control Shift Enter, drag the formula, double click. Okay, Alt H BA, all borders. Control B, format as a bold. Now here you have to be a ties. I mean to say you have to be a, okay, what I will do is equal to min, open the bracket, in this range I am not locking anywhere. Okay, is equal to this one. This is also a relative reference, F4. This is a relative reference. I have to lock, I think so. Wait, let me check. All of what's true here, see. Also then it has to come true over here. Okay, it is moving over straight. So I have to lock the column but not the row. F4, lock the column but not the row. Control Enter. See, true. Okay, now drag formula downwards. 1 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5. So wherever it is there, it will find the true. Okay, wherever it is there, minimum value, it will find the true. Okay, copy this formula, Control C, Control Shift right arrow, down arrow, Alt HLN, go to here, Control V, format, bold, fill with the red color, font will be the white, so that easily we can do it, zoom. Okay guys, okay, remaining part I will do later. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box, and if anybody wants this this file, please mail me in the comment box, because 10 questions are there. I am not having enough time to cover 10 questions, so still now 2 remaining to next day. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for your support, have a nice day.